They are out of Texas. It is a family-run company as well. This one is Greg and Michelle. They started with sublimation signs, which is how I started with them. And they've since opened up and branched into all things wreath making, florals, ribbon, attachments, swags, the other wreath frames, picks, mesh, you name it, they do it, and I have it. So this is from my friends Greg and Michelle of Creek Road TX, Creek Road Designs. They are on they're on the Etsy channel. They're on their own website, so you can Google them. So just remember Creek Road, and you will remember them. So I got some meshes, some swags, and some signs. So let's share. Jute makes my nose itch a little bit, but it's wicked cute texture-wise. So when I see this mesh, I think of either snowballs or bunny tails. Don't ask me why, but I mean it's got that texture to it. It's got that raised texture to it, and like I said, those are the two things that come to mind for me. So I will be using it now that Christmas season is past for design. I will be using it at Easter time for my Easter designs, because I like to use a lot of neutrals and then bring out all the colors in my Easter designs. Okay, I don't need my glasses on just yet. So I have 4 of these. One, 2, 3, and 4. And Valentine's is coming first, so I'm going to do some Valentine's designs. So this pink one, I'm thinking it's going to be used at Easter time, because I have a sign in mind for this. But I got a pink swag. These two are definitely going to be used for Valentine's Day, and I'll show you why, because the reason why is in this box. So I got 2 24-inch pine swags, 55 tips if I remember right, so it's got enough tips to add your mesh and add your ribbon and add your signs. They're a nice size, and I found this year at all my vending fairs that I did locally, people were really liking these. They think it's small. It's narrow, but it's just as big as a 24-inch round wreath. My big wreaths that I make. But they like the narrowness of the 24-inch span. So I'm liking the 24-inch. Oh, and for Easter too, I have some up there, but I like to hoard a little bit. So I have this to add to my stash for when I want to make that either Easter or, I don't know, something for summer, something, maybe a primitive or antique 4th of July, I don't know, home wreath. I'll be using the burlap is what they call that color. Okay. Easter bunnies. These are neutral. And I think, but you know, a lot of people don't want the pink and mint green and purple. They want it neutral. So I love these bunnies. There is a sign I found on another, I have it actually, it's in another unboxing, but they have a matching sign to this. It's a little wooden or MDF sign, but the little bunnies, they are directional, but I'll deal with it. Okay. I got a little 8-inch shamrock sign for St. Patty's Day. Whoop. Don't want the ring light to get it. St. Patty's Day. Okay. This is the, if you watched my last unboxing, I did I bought some purple deluxe ribbon, and this is the sign I want to use it for. So, isn't that pretty? I gotta tilt it ever so slightly so that the ring light doesn't catch it. But isn't that pretty? With all the purples and the pinks. So that's gonna be what my deluxe ribbon is used for. Okay. Another St. Patty's Day. I don't do a lot of St. Patty's Day, even though I'm Irish. Okay. There's not a big market for Valentine's and St. Patty's Day, but I will put a few in my shop for sure. So here's an Irish prayer. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. So something simple, something St. Patty's Day. So I got an 8-inch for that. I'll probably do a swag with this. Do a wreath with the other. And here's my Valentine's that I got. And the sign is true. The sign says everything, okay? This is what the red swags are for. Isn't that cute? Okay. Ring lights are helpful, but they're also a pain in the butt. Isn't that cute? So stinking cute, see? Even his little footies are red. And Creek Road has the matching ribbon. How could you not? Okay. Even the ribbon says, so stinking cute. So that's a little match in heaven, right? So this is my haul. This is my haul from Creek Road. Thank you, Greg and Michelle. Appreciate you. More to come. I will tag you guys when I start designing, so you can see. I'll tag you in this video so you can see the unboxing. So that's not a huge haul, but it's things I needed for sure. So if you go to their website, you can sign up for text messages, and you can get alerts as to when they're having a sale. You can go to their Facebook page. Again, they alert you and let you know that, hey, we got a sale coming on, which is how I found all these other things. They had a sale, a Black Friday sale, and I jumped in on it and got some good deals. So make sure you sign up for text messaging and notifications. This is this unboxing. I have 2 more. I will be back. Stay tuned. I gotta put my stuff away. Thank you guys. So again, Creek Road Designs. If you go to the Etsy store, it's Creek Road TX, but they have their own website. So